Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel Gohighlevel subscription or free trial. It's very easy thing to do. So first, go to Gohighlevel website. Now you will redirect it to your as I see dashboard here. From here, what you have to do, go to settings from the bottom left. Then after settings option, you will see a bunch of options here. Then from here, select billing, then it will be redirected here you will see subscriptions, payments, and wallet and transactions. From here you will see your current subscription. Now from here, select want to modify, cancel this subscription, select this. Now it will be open a dialog box. From here you will see upgrade or cancel a plan. Here from here we will select cancel plan. Now select a reason for canceling your high level account, then select next. Now give a feedback and then select submit. Now enter your account password and select cancel subscription. Now your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Then you have to just click on logout and it will be cancel your trial. And that's it. That's how you cancel your Gohighlevel trial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.